Hey everyone, it is Nick with Roamer Vans, and on today's episode of Feature Friday, we're going to spend a little time talking about electrical systems and why we install the EcoFlow Power Kit on all of our builds. We'll talk about some of the pros and some of the considerations so you can see if it might be the right type of system for you. Now, when choosing an electrical system for your van, there are two main paths that you can go down. One is an all-in-one system, kind of like this from EcoFlow, or you can go down the custom electrical system, or what's often called a DIY build electrical system, whereby you or your builder are sourcing all of the components and wiring them to your needs. Now, there's inherently more complexity involved with that, but that also gives you the ability to really tailor it to what you think your needs might be. But I think for most people, a system like this is going to be more than sufficient. Now, what are the benefits of something like the EcoFlow Power Kit? Well, it's very plug and play, and it's going to be modular, which makes it easier to adapt and scale over time. Say, for example, you've had your van for a while and you realize that you need a little bit more battery capacity. It's as simple as buying another one of these batteries from EcoFlow, which comes with its proprietary connector, and really just plugging it in the next battery slot. No wiring involved. So it's going to be very easy to manage down the road. Another benefit with going down this route is you are getting the full warranty from the manufacturer for the entirety of the system that functions as a whole, and you're going to get your support from your builder, from the supplier, and from EcoFlow. So there's kind of three prongs there for being able to get support with these down the road. Now, what are some of the considerations? Well, the trade-off for the simplicity of the system from a build standpoint and a maintenance standpoint is that when something does go wrong, it's usually going to be in the brains of the unit here. Because you haven't got a custom system, it's not as simple as just switching out one module or one component. Usually it's going to involve replacing the entire power hub. Now, in our experience, EcoFlow's hardware is fantastic and has been extremely reliable. Where there have sometimes been some issues that we've seen and that our clients have seen is more on the software side. There can be a few glitches now and then, especially around firmware updates, but that can usually be resolved pretty easily with customer support. So overall, we think this is going to be the best type of system for most people, and this is why we install it in all of our builds. If you've got any questions or any comments, reach out to us and let us know, and we'll see you next time.